Welcome to our tutorial about the format function. This function provides the ability to format data in a particular way, and these instructions are carried out by string expressions. Let's say I want the user's input to be formatted as currency. The result will display in the currency you've set up on your local system. Another example of a format function is percentage formatting. There is a number of predefined and user-defined formats such as date and time formats, as well as numeric formats. Here are some predefined date and time formats and predefined numeric formats. Check your help files for more details on these formats. Let's take a look at some user-defined numeric formats. Here we've got pound signs, or number signs. They are digital placeholders. They display digits if digits exist in this place. If there aren't any digits, it displays nothing. Here's another example of a placeholder. It's the 0 placeholder. If the expression has a digit in this position, it displays a digit. If the expression is blank, it displays a 0. We've also got a decimal placeholder, or period, and a thousand separator, or comma. Let's see how this works. Another example. The uppercase D argument will trigger a function returning the date formatted in long form. Gives me the day of the week, the month spelled out, etc. Let's comment that out and take a look at the lowercase d date format. It returns a date formatted in short format. My last example is the user-defined date-time format. Let's test that out. And close our application. And this concludes our tutorial about formatting functions.